Would you like to make $10 to $16 per hour working from home without any skills whatsoever? If you would like to do that, please stick with me until the end of this video. I will reveal a brand new website that pays you exactly that. Hi, I'm Art from artofmarketingblog.com, a place where I help you make money online. And in this video, I will show you exactly how you can make some extra money online. And again, you don't need any skills whatsoever. This can be done from anywhere in the world, and literally anyone can do this. But before we're gonna jump into the content, please like this video, please subscribe to this channel of mine if you would like to see more of these free training videos. If you are already subscribed, please click on the bell notification button. And also, I'm actually going to give away $10 to the people that are viewing this video, just for viewing it, okay? So I'm always doing a $10 giveaway each time I'm releasing these free training videos, so please stick with me until the end of this video to check the winner of the last video, okay? And if you want to enter the giveaway, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell notifications button, and leave a comment with your PayPal email. And I'm gonna announce the winner of the previous contest in the end of this video, okay? But without further ado, let's just jump into the content of this video: how to make $10 to $16 per hour working from home with zero skills whatsoever, okay? So let me show you the website right here. It is called lionbridge.com, and essentially this is another one of these websites. Big brands big companies go to this website, and they are essentially looking for feedback. So as you can see, they work in every language, every industry. Essentially, let me just scroll down right here to show you what this website is about. If you're going to click on more about us, essentially they are optimizing websites, but they do it with the help of humans. So you know, there's a lot of software that sort of can go scan a website and check all the errors, see what's wrong with it, etc. But even software will sometimes miss what a human eye can't miss and won't miss. So this company essentially does exactly that. They are sending humans just like you to websites just to check if everything is okay with the website, how they can improve it, etc. So these all work with translation. So if you speak some other language that is not English, then by all means you can make money like this and make even more money. And they work with multilingual websites as well. But as I told you, you don't need any skills whatsoever. You'll be able to make money with just content and testing, just improving quality, avoid delay, speed time, and reduce costs of these websites. So in a second, I'm going to show you exactly what all of this is about. And again, you need zero skills. Again, if you know some other languages that are not English, you can do translations, you can be an interpreter, etc. Make a ton of money. But if you have zero skills when it comes to making money online, then you can still earn some extra money on the side. So if you're gonna go to lionbridge.com/join-us, you'll be able to essentially become a tester, rater, or curator, just checking different websites, looking for errors, etc. So let's just click on join here. I'm gonna just show you a few current opportunities. So if you're watching this in the future, this might be a little bit different, but as you can see, they're accepting people from all over the world. You got Canada, United States, all of the countries in Europe, you got New Zealand, all of the countries in Asia, in Africa, in South America. So let's just go ahead and check out the jobs in the USA for today. And remember, this will change. This is just for the day that I'm recording this video. As you can see, in the USA, they are looking for a rater, so a dynamic creative person with strong communication skills that uses the internet daily. You will be analyzing and providing feedback on text, web pages, images, and other types of information. So very, very easy job. Let's check out Canada. As you can see, these are two different jobs. So they are looking for raters in the USA, but from Canada, they're looking for online map quality analyst and also personalized social media internet assessor. So wherever you're going to click, these jobs will be different. Obviously, if you can speak another language, that's a plus, but you don't really have to. So just check out the jobs available in your country. And remember, this is just for now. So it doesn't mean that if there's no jobs today, it doesn't mean that there will be no jobs a week from now or a month from now. So keep on coming back to this site, and they have a ton of different opportunities. And I just looked up the salaries for this site. So if you're going to go to Indeed.com and you're going to look up Lionbridge, as you can see, an interpreter makes $34 per hour. So if you can speak another language, you can make an easy $30 plus per hour. An operator, social media specialist, surveyor, or test operator, these guys making between $10 and $16 per hour. So these are the zero skills required jobs. And again, obviously, the more skills you have, the more money you'll make, because you can essentially deliver different types of jobs. Okay, and another one. This is Glassdoor, and again, I looked up Lionbridge, and hourly for an internet assessor, you'll be able to make $14 an hour, or if you want to be a senior product manager, so again, if you have some more skills, you can make up to $70,000 a year. So, it can be anything from just making some part-time extra money online to essentially becoming a career for you. So a ton of different jobs for a ton of different skill levels, different languages, different countries. So just go to Lionbridge.com, check out what is available for you, and I'm sure that you'll be able to make some extra money online. And again, what is needed is just a laptop or a computer with an internet connection, and you need zero skills whatsoever. Anyone can test these websites, just look for errors or giving feedback, etc. So this is something super simple. And again, the more skills you have, the more money you'll be able to make. Okay, so check out Lionbridge.com. I really hope you will make money with it. And right now, if you want to enter my $10 giveaway, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell notifications, and leave a comment with a question, and also with your PayPal email, so I can essentially send you the money. Okay, and right now let's just look up the winner from the last video. As you can see, on the last video we had 21 comments. So let's go to YouTube random comment picker. Let's filter out duplicate users, and let's check out the winner right now. Hopefully they left their PayPal email in the comment. All right, winner Juan Montes de Oca. Here's my PayPal email address. Thank you for the tip. I'm going to put it to work right away. So right now I'm just going to send $10 to Juan. Congratulations. If you want to win $10 just like Juan just did, again, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell notifications, and leave a comment just like Juan did with your PayPal email so I can send you the money. I'm going to be picking one random person that did all of these 4 things, and I'm going to give away $10 each time I'm doing a free training video. Okay, guys? So again, please like, subscribe, click on the bell, and leave a comment with your PayPal with a question if you have a question. Please check out the links in the description of this video. The first one is my top resource that makes me between $300 and $1,000 online every single day. So please go ahead and check this out. And below that you have a ton of free to join resources that you'll be able to use to make a ton of money as well. So go ahead and check these links out. Okay guys, so as you can see, I've just sent $10 to Juan. Again, congratulations, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao.